Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to the Q2 FY22 earnings conference call of Mayur Uniquoters hosted by Monarch Networth Capital Limited. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen only mode and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star then zero on your touchtone phone. Please note that this conference has been recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Anubhav Rawat. Thank you and over to you, sir.
Thank you, Jacob. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you and all your loved ones are safe and healthy. On behalf of Monarch Networth Capital, it is our pleasure to host the senior management team of Mayur Uniquoters. Today we have with us Mr. Suresh Kumar Podar, Chairman and Managing Director of the company, and Mr. Vinod Kumar Sharma, CFO of the company. I would now request the management to provide their initial comments about the results. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Anubhav. Good afternoon, dear investors and analysts. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure to be here to share with you the performance of Mayur. Thanks for giving your precious time to join Mayur Uniquoters Limited Q2 FY22 conference call. Mayur Uniquoters Limited, being a market leader in the synthetic leather industry and in organized player, has been able to leverage the emerging opportunities and delivered exemplary performance in past years, both in national and international business markets. The markets are fully open in last quarter, but the automakers especially are now facing the production problems due to shortage of semiconductor chips in international market, and because of this, our OEM sales is also impacted in the quarter. However, we are hopeful to regain the OEM sales and demand back from the market after 4 or 5 months in coming months. Now, I would like to start with financial highlights for Q2 FY22 under review. We will reply your queries after my review on the financial results. The company has achieved revenue from operation on a standalone basis amounting to rupees 188 crores, PBT 33 crores, PAT 25 crores during the quarter, which is increased by 70%, 74% and 73% respectively over the corresponding quarter. The revenue from operations on consolidated basis is 196 crores, PBT 39 crores and PAT 30 crores and higher by 55, 48 and 48% respectively. Our endeavor is to make the company is a preferred supplier for the leading OEM, especially in US and European regions. And pleased to share that your company is already approved by Mercedes-Benz South Africa and Volkswagen India car makers, and supply also started their plans for their new models. The product approval from BMW is also obtained and supply is expected from April 2022. Regarding new plant project activities are completed except some civil and site development work required at the site. The supply orders and dispatches are also coming in small lots and expected to increase gradually in coming quarters. While pursuing our business interest, Mayur Uniquoters has also been endeavoring to fulfill our responsibilities towards the society. Under the corporate social responsibility programs, the company has done 5 to 6 phases of vaccination for the nearby villagers and staff members of both the plants. Besides contribution towards food and oxygen, green zones, donated safety kits and oxygen concentrators to the hospitals, police stations, industries, associations, all. The company has also adopted many happy schools for education of children. The company has worked on education, especially for the girls and underprivileged child education. Various healthcare initiatives, especially child skill development, water for all, sanitation at a school area, distribution of books, bags, clothes, etc. Most importantly, family planning and family welfare schemes. The state government has recognized several occasions at various initiatives on the various platforms. And I'm thankful to all the investors for their valuable time, to those who became the part of this conference call. And with this positive note, I would like to conclude and request you all to open the form for questions. And before that, I also request you all to kindly note that due to time constraint, we need to end this call within 45 minutes, and therefore request you to kindly avoid repeat questions during the call. and volume data will not be discussed, so please avoid volume related queries. Thank you.
Thank you. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and one on your touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and two. Participants are requested to use handset while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. The first question is from the line of Nidali Gopani from Unique Asset Management LLP. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity and congratulations on a very strong top line growth. So my question is on the gross margin side. So in our Q1 call, we had mentioned that the raw material prices have started falling, and we have also increased our prices wherever required. And we were of the view that gross margins should start recovering from Q2. But in fact, the gross margins have declined at least by 250 bps QOQ. So just wanted your comments on the same.
You see, in the last quarter, the prices rather has been increased very drastically. Now PVC resin prices in last one quarter has increased by more than 35 to 40%, as well as plasticizer prices has also increased, other ingredients has also increased, and in the previous quarter the prices of yarn from which we make a fabric, that was also not increasing, but in this quarter it has not from very beginning, but from end August, cotton price, yarn prices has also increased. So now the prices are in the peak, because mainly of this shipping cost which has gone up by 4 times, and other thing, whatever we are selling to USA, the cost has increased like hell from 18 rupees a meter to 60 rupees, 65 rupees a meter. But now it is going down, so I think the situation should be better in next quarter, this coming quarter, so far as margin is concerned. And secondly, there is one more problem, because these automotive industries are increasing the prices on quarterly basis. Now, till now, they have given us the increase of January, February, March. So this April to September increase, which has to come very soon, that has not been included in this balance sheet, because they take at least 3 to 4 months time to start, but they give it from the backward, so that you will have a better credit notes in the next quarter. That is also one of the reasons what you are asking for.
Okay, so what you are saying is that we'll receive the increment from April to September also in the coming quarters.
Yes.
Okay. And so secondly, on this PVC line, the 7th line has been commissioned?
Yes, already started.
Okay. So if you can just share what was the utilization level in this quarter?
Utilization in this quarter, कितना मीटर हुआ है टोटल?
78 lakhs, 80 lakhs now.
यानी 80 lakhs इस क्वार्टर का कितना हुआ है?
जुलाई टू सितंबर.
तो मतलब 26 लाख हुआ ना?
26 लाख.
तो 2640. भाई, after 7th line, our capacity is approximate 3.5 million minimum. 3.5 million means 35 lakhs. और अभी हुआ कितना अपना?
80.
नहीं, 35 into 3. 35 into 3. 105. That means 75 to 80% you can say. 74.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Ah.
And also, lastly, we were looking to appoint some CEO. So, any update on that if you would want to share?
No, we have appointed COO. Now we are looking at CEO also, but we are going very gradually, I don't want to have so many big people at a time. We have appointed CFO, very senior person. We have appointed good HR person. We have appointed CEO. Now I will wait for another 3 to 6 months, and then we will see for the CEO.
Okay, sir. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may enter star one to ask a question. Ladies and gentlemen, you may enter star one to ask a question. The next question is from the line of Priyadarshini Srivastav from Monarch Networth Capital. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Congratulations on good sets of numbers, sir. Sir, I just wanted to know what is the PU revenue for this quarter, and sir, and who are the current customers in the PU, sir?
You see, most of the customers are same. Not big difference, because those who are selling PVC, they are selling PU also.
Okay.
Gwalior sale was 4 crore. 8 crores in this quarter.
Okay, sir. Okay. So, it means what will be the maximum revenue potential, and when we expect to break even into that, sir?
We can get 100 crore revenue from existing capacity.
Okay,
And
sir.
I think because of this, COVID problem, the things were moving very slowly, So especially for PU, because we started just at the starting of COVID, And then all my Chinese, technician has went away. And that's why also we had some restrictions. But now we have got a visa for a Taiwanese guy who is specializing in PU in, whole region. He's a very experienced person. He's coming in the next week here, and he will stay with us. So far after that, we will have no constraint of developing any quality, any type of quality which is being used in all over world. So that is one thing. And then because, COVID, people have imported a lot of material from China. So they have to clear it. So that's why also it is taking some time. But I think in next 1 year time, we should able to at least sell 50 to 60 crores, 60 crores.
Okay. That was
within next 2 years, we may have to go for another line, because market is improving. Indian market is also improving, and I see very optimistic in the near future because of this Chinese problem, And then we have gone for anti-dumping duty also for PU, so that PU is imported less. So it's a good market. Only thing, this quarter could have been at least 220, 230 crore. Because of this chips problem, the automotive industries are facing constraint of productions, They don't have even car at their, showrooms.
right.
So, but the things are improving. In last 2-3 years, we had a problem with USA supplies because of chips. But now this month, they have started improving. And I hope within 2-3 months, this problem will be sorted out. There is no dearth of requirement, There is huge requirement. Bad luck. most of the, electronic industries are suffering because of this semiconductor problem. But this will be sorted out in next 1 to 3 months' time.
That was very helpful, sir. Thank you and wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may enter star 1 to ask a question. The next question from the line of Vinay Ambekar, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Sir, can you tell us what is the operating level loss that is still coming from the PU division? And when you think we can become EBITDA positive there? At what level of sales?
You are talking about ग्वालियर पीयू
डिवीजन
पीयू का अलग से है क्या इसमें? बोल दीजिए ना, तो बोलो करेगा चलो.
इसको अनम्यूट करिए.
Hello. Just wait a minute.
Sir, meantime.
Unmuted.
You need another question, please tell me.
Yes. Sir, in the PVC division, because majority of the sales are come from there, what is the contribution between auto, footwear and furnishing at turnover level? And how do you see?
You see in this quarter, footwear sale was about 32%. Furnishing was not much. You see, mainly we are doing automotive. Automotive was 31 plus 9 plus replacement, 47 and 9, 56, 57, 58% is automotive. This includes domestic OEM, export OEM and replacement market. And rest is, sorry?
31 crore you said is a domestic OEM, right, sir?
Yes. 31% domestic OEM.
31%, not 31 crore.
No, percent. I am talking percent. All percent.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is percentage of total sales or percentage of PVC sales?
Total sales. Total,
okay. And 9% export OEM?
Export OEM 10% and replacement market is about 18%. So 31 plus 18 plus 10, you can say 59% is automotive.
Sir, footwear, how you see the domestic market progressing with the unlocking and COVID going away?
You see, at the time of COVID, of course, there was a problem. But now it is sorting out. And you see, now this 15 days will be little bit downfall because all the labors go away 15 days before Diwali and they come after Diwali. So now the market from next week, it will pick up. And I think it will be good. I don't see any problem in the market because everybody is, only problem little bit is the price, the way raw material prices are increasing. They are not able to increase their sales price. But anyhow, the demand is good. You see, everybody, plead for the price reduction. But it's increasing everywhere. You go for any industry, the prices are increasing. But still people are buying. So I don't see any problem. Rather, I think whatever happened in this quarter in automotive industry, this coming quarter will be much, much better. Otherwise, if this chips problem would have not been, at least we would have done 30 crores more in this quarter.
Okay. So within PVC, are the operating margins better for auto versus footwear? Anything like that?
You
Will you
see,
get more sales realization better in
डिटेल्स
auto
है क्या?
footwear within PV?
मार्जिन फुटवेयर में ज्यादा है कि ऑटो में ज्यादा है, तो ऑब्वियसली ऑटो में ज्यादा अपना मार्जिन।
नहीं नहीं, no. You see, all these, you see, like auto, there are three segments in auto. One is replacement market, one is auto OEM domestic, one is export OEM. Now the best margin, if you calculate on all these three, export OEM is number one, then footwear is number two, and then number three is auto OEM and replacement market.
Okay. So, sir, basically then, if our exports increase and our footwear sales increase, our margins are likely to increase.
You see, the main market is this only, automotive and footwear. So, auto OEM is fixed. Every quarter, whatever increase or decrease, we have to give it. Now, this quarter, it was little less because the previous increase has not come, which will come in the next quarter. So then it will be better in the next quarter. So far, footwear is concerned, it is same, but it's used to be.
Okay. But sir, the slight issue is that last quarter we were expecting that RM prices will reduce, but like you rightly said, it did not happen.
No, RM prices has not reduced, rather RM prices has increased. Now we think the biggest problem is the shortage of the material, There is no supply of PVC resin, very less supply, although I am well stocked more than 3-4 months. So far supply is concerned, I have no problem. But the prices are increasing and the availability is not there. That is the biggest problem. But anyway, it is better for us to get a better price. When there is shortage, there is always, chances of increasing the prices. Although we have increased the prices.
Right.
But
sir, yes,
yeah.
Okay. Sir, one thing you have been rightly focusing on and emphasizing also is about our margin, which used to be between 10 to 12% a few years back. And in the last year or so, we have crossed 20, and we have reached as much as 26-27% in the March quarter and December quarter. Was there anything exceptional in that 6 months period, sir, where we were able to earn such high margin? Because now it has come down to say around 20.
I tell you, it is very unpredictable. Nobody has thought. You see, in my life of 55 years working in this industry, I have never seen the increment like this. What has happened in last 1 year? Nobody could have imagined that this will happen. And this has happened only because of this shipping company's problem. Because every end product supplier has a raw material supplier. उसके बाद वाला जो देश है उसका raw material supplier is also buying and shipping companies are involved. So this whole drama is because of shipping industries, and then automotive industry problem is because of chips supply, because the demand of computer and electronic items has increased a lot during this COVID time. So that's why they are facing problem. But this problem is temporary problem. Maybe in next 2-3 months time, it has started improving. It will improve further because 1 or 2 companies, even Tatas, are trying to make a chips. Because the main thing is there is a huge investment in this. But anyway, this will be sorted out because more than us, this automotive industry has a big problem. But it is sorting out. Like in USA also, 3 weeks back the situation was very bad, But in last 2 to 3 weeks the demand has increased. I mean, they close their plants, certain plants, because of the shortage of chips, not because of the requirement. And even in America, people don't have any car in the showroom. Just for displaying, they don't have a car. Hello.
Yes, sir. So basically,
Yeah,
I think
are you
demand is
listening?
very strong once shipping.
Yeah, demand.
is sorted out,
Yes,
our
yes,
margin
yes,
is
yes.
like
There is a 1 year waiting period even. This is the condition. Because people are spending money. Thus, spending is no issue. And then India has got a much better chance because you know this, what is happening in China. So people are eyeing to India. And further, you know, the PVC, our PU leather cloth has been introduced as a replacement of genuine leather. So gradually genuine leather will go down and this PU will increase in automotive industry. Of course, it will take time, but it is happening. And the PU cost is more than $20. So we are working with that, and one of the American company, we have got 90% approval. Maybe in next 2-3 months we'll be able to get approval. So that once we start that, because there is less competition in that, hardly 2 companies are making in the whole world. We'll be the third.
Can you share the name, sir, of the client?
Sorry?
Can you share the name of
Sorry
this
to
client?
interrupt. Mr. Ambedkar, may we request that you return to the question queue for follow-up questions?
Sure. I just wanted that data point about the loss from PU division. If sir has got it.
Okay.
Maybe you can tell later also, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question from the line of Pritesh Chheda from Lucky Investment Managers. Please go ahead.
Sir, I have question on the Volkswagen and the Mercedes order ramp up. What is the progress there? Because both of them are a fairly higher value per meter order. So what is the progress there? Second, I was doing a rough math, so it is quite apparent that the pace at which the RM has increased is not the pace at which the pricing for the finished good has moved up. So here, what happens? Do we have to absorb those gross margin losses or reduction, or we tend to get price hikes eventually for these type of RM increases? If you could give a comment there. And I have one more question. I was confused on the PU plant. So on one side, you are saying that a Korean is supposed to come, there are some balancing equipment, and on the other side, you said that you sold PU worth 8 crores in the quarter. So yeah, I'm just unable to understand in which format has the plant started.
No. You see, there are hardly 2 or 3 players who make PU, and that also very small quantity. This PU I have been working since 2003. So because I see the future is PU. Today we are PVC in automotive. We are selling say $7, $8 or $8.50. Here we start with $20, maybe even $24 in some cases, because it is replacing leather, genuine leather, and that's why scope is good. But everything takes time, you know. And the biggest problem our was that we started in COVID this thing. And
so the plant is started, sir.
Plant has started long back, 1.5 years.
So then, what is this balancing equipment needed at the PU plant, and then you need a foreigner to help you out with the plant? So what is that to do with?
क्या बोला?
फॉरेनर क्यों मंगवा रहे हैं? प्लांट जो आ रहा है ना ताइवान, वो किस लिए आ रहा है जब आपका प्लांट लग जाता है?
No, listen to me. अभी हिंदी समझते हैं ना?
हाँ सर, एकदम बढ़िया।
एक कहावत
भारत देश में तो हिंदी एकदम बढ़िया आती है सर।
ऐसा है, एक कहावत सुनी है क्या आपने कि आज तक वो क्वेश्चन बना हुआ है, मुर्गी पहले आई कि अंडा पहले?
बराबर है सर।
So now the machine can wait for the customer but customer cannot wait for the machine. So आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लगाएंगे, नया प्रोडक्ट बनाएंगे, तो उसमें कम से कम सेट होने में 2-3 साल लगेगा. Now today, suppose you are buying something from particular customer and the new supplier has come and wanted to supply you. He will not buy 100% from you from next day. He will first test your material, check it for some time, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. When they are satisfied, then they will start. So this is the process. And once it starts, because one good thing is there, wherever we have supplied, whichever customer, he is repeatedly buying from us. And the second problem, because of bad luck, you can say, we started with this when COVID has started. So everybody, all the dealers who are importing from China, they have huge stock. So they have to clear the stock. But now I'm seeing the things are moving, new customers are coming. Even in some cases, our prices are 20% higher, And now to compete with China, we have started manufacturing the backing cloth. And then in the second stage, we are working for PU resin manufacturing also, so that in the price wars you can compete. And then we have gone for anti-dumping duty also. We had 2 hearings. We want to put an anti-dumping duty on PU leather cloth. So if that will happen, that will also help. Because in India, people are how they are under invoicing. And today, because government is also very strict after China, they want to support Indian industry. This will happen. This is a matter of time. Because I travel whole world, I know the market, what is happening where. So this is bound to come. Nobody can stop it. The only thing, we should have a capability to produce a product. So Mayur advantage is always that we focus on R&D. Best of R&D. Now this man from Taiwan, which I am getting, is the best in Asia. And he has more than 30 years experience in this. I'm paying from my noses. People will say, if you are not making profit, why you are doing? I'm doing it for future. Industry is always for future. You invest always in future, not in present only. So I'm not bothered at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, the Volkswagen and the Mercedes order ramp up?
हाँ ऑर्डर तो आ ही रहे हैं भाई. प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रही है, वही सबको चिप्स का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. Mercedes has given us a requirement of 40,000 meters per month, but now they are buying not more than 15 to 20,000 because of this chips problem. Even month before last, they have hardly bought 5,000. Then from last month, they have again started improving. Everybody is selling in the same boat.
Okay.
And now what they are doing, another problem, you have a chips problem, so you will like to produce those cars who has got the most profit and expensive cars. So the other thing is that PVC leather cloth is used for medium class or lower class of car, not very high class, right? So that is also affecting, because whatever chips they are getting, they are using wherever they have a best, margin. But it is a temporary problem. In next 3 months, I think it should improve. In USA, it has improved a lot. From last 2-3 weeks, we are coming almost 80% to the original sale.
Okay. And sir, on the gross margin question, so, the pace at which we have obviously got price increase is less versus the raw material. So, how much lag do you think it takes for you to get the pricing from your customer, or you have to adjust this, whatever, 200, 300 basis point loss of gross margin, and eventually, over time it settles down?
अच्छा, एक चीज आप बताइए मुझे. आप अगर कोई चीज परचेज करने जाते हो, प्राइस बढ़ता है, तो कोई सीधे पैर देता है क्या प्राइस?
सॉरी,
कोई स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड इंक्रीज नहीं देता है. They will try their best not to increase or increase the less price than whatever is asked for.
बराबर.
But it goes with the time. Like sometime the prices were reducing. That time also we didn't reduce the price. So we got, in those particular quarter, we got some benefit. Now here, you see, the biggest problem is all the suppliers are the multinational suppliers of PVC resin, plasticizer or yarn. So whenever they increase their price, they increase from the next day. Now PVC will say, on first he will say, from today my price is this. Even if you have given the advance money or advance order, doesn't matter. But we cannot go to the customer and can say that from tomorrow I will not give you the money. So कम से कम 15-20 दिन 25 दिन लग जाते हैं प्राइस इंक्रीज को इफेक्टिव होने में भी. ये थोड़ा सा है. I think it is come to the peak. It should start coming down. In my opinion, it should start coming down.
Which means you are thinking that the price increase from customer is difficult to get by, but you think that the material price will come down and automatically margin should come back. Because you had gained also in times where raw material prices were lower and you didn't pass on, right? So it's a more natural process which will happen.
Yes. ये होता ही है और ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ भाई. 2-3-4% इंक्रीज होता है, उसमें कोई इतना बड़ा इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता. 100% price has increased. PVC resin which we are buying for 90 rupees, it is now 189 to 190 rupees. Plasticizer we used to have 80 rupees, it is now 165. How much?
So end of the year credit note milegi, what was that?
क्या चीज?
You said no, you will get a credit note from the customer at the end of the year.
Yeah.
So what is that then?
That automotive industry giving the increment after the end of each quarter. Like जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च के क्वार्टर का इंक्रीमेंट उन्होंने दे दिया. हमने क्रेडिट डेबिट नोट दे दिया, वो आ गया बैलेंस शीट में. अप्रैल मई जून का जो हमको लेना है वो अभी उन्होंने सेटल नहीं किया, कर रहे हैं. मे बी इन नेक्स्ट 2-3 weeks it will be settled. So it will show in the next quarter. So इस क्वार्टर का वो प्रॉफिट तो कम हो गया ना, जो क्रेडिट नोट मिला नहीं, जो मिलना चाहिए था. प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि दीज आर ऑल मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज. कहीं अब कोई जापानीज कंपनी है तो सारे पहले यहाँ डिसाइड करेंगे, फिर जापान जाएगा, फिर वहाँ से रिप्लाई आएगा. So it takes at least 3-4 months मिनिमम.
तो क्या सर आपके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में पीवीसी का भाव लिख दिया हुआ गया है क्या? ये मैंने पीवीसी के प्राइस के टाइम आपको कोट किया था. और अभी ये सप्लाई के टाइम ये पीवीसी का भाव है तो आपको इतना क्रेडिट देना होगा.
बिल्कुल वो तो पूरा कंपैरिजन देना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू गिव द बिल कॉपी आल्सो. दे विल आस्क दैट ओके अप्रैल मई जून दे विल बी सेटल्ड. सो दे विल आस्क फॉर अप्रैल मई जून प्राइस, देन दे विल टेक average of that, and accordingly whatever was the basic price and whatever increase in that particular item, that increase they will give. Or if there is any decrease, they will ask for decrease also.
I have one more question, sir. Next year, so as you are heading towards the future quarter, you have auto tailwind because of this chip shortage easing out. Then you have Volkswagen and Mercedes order ramp up. And footwear was not doing so well until now for the last 1.5-2 years. Do you think even if footwear starts doing well, you should be able to record 100% utilization of capacity next year on your PVC?
भाई नेक्स्ट ईयर 22-23 तो मैं नहीं कह सकता. 22-23 के सेकेंड हाफ से कैपेसिटी हो जाना चाहिए.
But are you seeing traction in footwear also?
Yeah. फुटवेयर में तो ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम थी. अभी ऑटोमोटिव इतना जोर से चल रहा था तो लास्ट 3 महीने से प्रॉब्लम हो गई ऑटोमोटिव में. ये तो ऑटोमोटिव वाज डूइंग वेरी गुड.
ओके. फुटवेयर शुड आल्सो डू.
No, footwear में क्या है? You see those all footwear manufacturers, they supply to wholesaler, then wholesalers supply to retailers. Now everybody has got a stock, and when you supply to retailer, you have MRP price. Now suppose today they are selling in X price, MRP is say 300 rupees for a sandal. Now if next is 350 rupees or 330 rupees, they have to think twice thrice. We are rather getting prices, but they are suffering much more. This footwear manufacturer, because every now and then they cannot increase MRP. Can they increase MRP every week or every fortnight?
No.
People will not buy. Suppose आज आपका X प्राइस है तो नेक्स्ट प्राइस बढ़ाने में कम से कम 1-1.5-2 महीना लगता है. उनको भी बेचारों को नुकसान तो हो ही रहा है, लेकिन बट वन थिंग इज देयर, मार्केट इज देयर. वो कोई मतलब मार्केट इज देयर, डिमांड है.
It's a better demand, right, versus what it was in last 1.5 year at least. It's better demand and growing demand is what you think?
Sorry?
Versus last 1.5-2 years, at least it's a much better market and a better demand in footwear now?
No, you see, this 1.5-2 year is definitely bad for everything, and especially because when the shops are not open, people are not moving out. You can even order the car, but footwear you have to go to the shop, see it, get it fitted, then only you will buy it. So that is more affected, you know. You can't just footwear order by Amazon or anything. Yes, people are giving that type of order, but you know, maybe that 5%, 7% more than that. So footwear, you have to go to the shop, you have to see the hundreds of design, then you select out of that. तो अभी क्या है कि बहुत बेटर हो गया है, होने लग गया है. अभी ये 10-15 दिन थोड़ा सा मार्केट डाउन है, अभी 15 तारीख के बाद फिर उठना शुरू हो जाए.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Season's greeting and all the best to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to ensure that the management will be able to address questions from all participants, please limit your questions to 2 per participant. If you have any follow-up question, please rejoin the queue. The next question from the line of Sabyasachi Mukherjee, please, from Centrum PMS. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. Thanks for the opportunity. So first question, so you mentioned that you have now a total capacity of 3.5 million meters per month, right?
Per month, yes.
And you are operating around 74-75% capacity utilization.
Yes.
And you, in the last participant's question, you mentioned that you would be reaching somewhere around 100% in somewhere in H2 FY23.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, 22-23 second half.
Right. Second thing on the margins, I just wanted to understand the margin outlook for the second half of this year and next fiscal year. What is the margin outlook?
देखिए भाई साहब, मार्जिन जब मैं 10% 12% की मार्जिन करता था आज के 7-8 साल पहले, तभी आप लोगों का यही क्वेश्चन होता था कि क्या आप मेंटेन कर पाओगे. तो बात यह है कि दिस इज अ ऑनगोइंग प्रोसेस. कंपनी हैज टू इम्प्रूव इन ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स. You have to have a better management, you have to have a better manufacturing capacity, you have to have good R&D, you have to have capability of making a new product. Why I have spent 125 crore on PU? Because I know, and you will see what will happen in next 2 years' time. Because the people are moving from leather to PU. And the price I told you, it's about $20 to $25. So far margin is concerned. Now who has thought that this kind of increment will be there? We can only say the Mayur will keep on having manufacturing new product, technical product, which will give better return, and we will have a good management, good machinery, good people, so that the cost is reduced as much as possible. So far as raw material is concerned, I can tell you in PVC leather cloth in India, the amount of the way our buying is there is the cheapest, I can tell you. So what I am trying to say, we will definitely try to keep. अभी मैं आपको बोलूं कि मैं 30% मार्जिन करूंगा, अब नहीं हुआ किसी भी कारण से, आप बोलोगे पोदार साहब आपने तो बोला था 30% होगा, तो मैं तो जानबूझ के कम रखता हूँ. And but we honestly, our team, everybody, we try our best because today's situation is very fluid situation. I can tell one thing very clearly that the market outlook is good. The future of industry is very good, rather very, very good. So there is no, problem for selling. The margin, it depends on the market. Although we are doing our best. आज भी आप समझिए why the Mayur, you tell me out of 1,000 company, how many companies are making this kind of profit? It is not easy to come to this kind of profit. You forget about your finance companies and insurance company or all these companies. But in manufacturing, either you have a monopoly worldwide, then only you get a very good margin. Even if you calculate and see what is the margin in leather cloth industry, it is a huge, huge, huge difference because of our policy, our consistency in developing new product and invest in new technology. That is our recipe. That I will keep on doing. I will not stop.
Okay, sir. Okay. Last question on the mix between automotive and footwear. So we are close to somewhere around, I think 55 to 60% in automotive and rest 30-35% in footwear. So going ahead, probably next year or 2-3 years down the line, where do you see this mix changing, and also contribution from export OEMs in the automotive sales?
No, export OEM too we are doing now. It's increasing. Because of this chips problem, it was little less this quarter, but it is increasing because Mercedes, they have promised us 40,000 yards per.
So this 10% would go to 20% of total sales. Is it a fair assumption?
For quality and all that. So this is the temporary problem which has happened. Even then we are doing very good and we will keep on.
Sorry, I missed your part.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
So sorry, I actually missed your response.
Sorry to interrupt. Mr. Mukherjee, may we request you that you return to the question queue for follow-up questions?
तो कॉल फेल होगा, अभी डिस्कनेक्ट हो, अभी ठीक है?
कॉल बैक किया मैंने.
हाँ ठीक.
Thank you.
आवाज अनम्यूट. हेलो.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Hello.
We
Hello.
have the next question.
Hello.
Mr. Vinod, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I think Mr. Podar line disconnected.
Yes. Just a moment.
You please, reconnect it.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stay connected while we reconnect to the management. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being on hold. The line for the management is now reconnected. Thank you, and over to you, sir. The next question from the line of Chintan Seth from Samiksha Capital. Please go ahead.
Thank you for the opportunity and congrats for a very good set of numbers. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah. Very
Yes,
much.
sir. Yeah. So, sir, if I look at from the data you've given that 31% domestic OEM sales and 32% footwear, it seems that we have grown very stupendously in the domestic market while export was muted given the chip shortage which you explained earlier. So going forward, do you see this domestic performance to sustain in terms of export? Earlier we used to do 50 crores quarterly revenue run rate in footwear. Hello.
हेलो.
Voice is not clear.
Voice is not clear. आप शॉर्ट में बताइए मेरे को.
हाँ सर, ये आप 2-3 साल पहले जब फुटवेयर पीक में थे हम लोग 50 करोड़ के क्वार्टरली रन रेट कर रहे थे. इस क्वार्टर इट सीम्स वी हैव काइंड ऑफ रीच टू दैट लेवल. Do we think footwear to continue at 50 crore plus run rate going forward in PVC and PU will be additional revenue to that?
Yeah, definitely PU will be additional than PVC. अभी
And
क्या
sir-
हुआ है? Why
हाँ.
you are seeing down in percentage? It's not down. In overall, it is not down. But overall, the automotive sale has increased like anything. That's
Right.
why your footwear is looking little downward. Because yeah.
I'm talking about absolute 50 crore revenue. 2017-18 में quarterly हम लोग 50 करोड़ के revenue करते थे. Around annually 250-300 करोड़ का footwear revenue होता था, which was kind of declined because of the weak market conditions. Now I'm seeing that this quarter we have reached back to 50 crore plus 60 crore plus around in this quarter, including PU. So are we seeing that this 50 crore run rate can be sustained going forward? The market is now recovering back to old days.
I think whatever we have done in first half, we should be able to do that in second half also. If that happens, and which I am very much confident, maybe this quarter may be little bit 5-7% less, but then January, February, March will be much better. Because
Correct.
in January, new models start coming, so people start buying from next year. And then what happened in the last quarter, because India is making more of chappals, The chappal season start in summertime. So for summertime, they start making stocks from February, March,
Right.
So that means maybe October, November, December may be little bit down. Little bit down means much more than first quarter, maybe little less than second quarter. But the fourth quarter will be much higher.
Right.
So if you see in totality, I think we expect to come to 600 crores.
Okay. And sir, on the domestic OEM, this quarter we have done around 58 crores based on the number you have given. So
domestic OEM.
Yeah,
it was
yes, sir.
31%, and
Correct.
value
So,
was 58 crore.
Right. So earlier we were in
Sorry
the
to
range of
interrupt.
20.
Mr. Seth, may we request you to return to the question queue for follow-up question, please?
Can I complete this question or?
मैं समझ नहीं आया आप क्या बोल रहे हैं.
सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि इस क्वार्टर 58 करोड़ का ऑटो सेल्स हुआ है डोमेस्टिक में. अर्लियर हम लोग 20 से 30 करोड़ के बीच में रहते थे. तो इस क्वार्टर व्हाट हैज ड्रिवन दिस बम्प अप इन द रेवेन्यू इन डोमेस्टिक ओईएम साइड?
हाँ तो बढ़िया हुआ ही है ना. अभी इस क्वार्टर में 30 लाख मीटर बिका है और ऑटो ओईएम डोमेस्टिक कितना है ये 58 crore we have sold. It's very good amount.
Right. And what is the driver? मतलब कौन से क्लाइंट से हम लोग को इतनी अच्छी डिमांड आ रही है?
क्लाइंट तो वही है. अभी देखिए क्या है. अभी अपन अगर फर्स्ट क्वार्टर और सेकंड क्वार्टर की बात करें तो फर्स्ट क्वार्टर से सेकंड क्वार्टर इज मच है 60-70% ज्यादा. फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में मई में प्रॉब्लम थी बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना. सेल वाज लेस. कंपेयर टू अप्रैल. अप्रैल वाज हाईएस्ट.
करेक्ट.
अप्रैल में हमने 62-63 करोड़ का सेल किया था.
अच्छा.
फिर मई डाउन हुआ, जून इम्प्रूव हुआ, जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर ये सारे इम्प्रूव हो रहे हैं. अक्टूबर थोड़ा सा डाउन जाएगा, बट नवंबर दिसंबर से फिर स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. क्या है कि हर चीज का एक सीजन होता है ना.
राइट.
अब लास्ट 2 क्वार्टर ऑफ द लास्ट ईयर वाज हाईएस्ट सेल.
ओके. तो आप बोले कि जो मई जून में सप्लाई नहीं हुआ था बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना, वो थोड़ा सा पेंट अप हम लोग ने सप्लाई किया है इस क्वार्टर में. इससे हम लोग की सेल्स बढ़ी है और नॉर्मलाइज हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट आने वाले क्वार्टर्स में.
भाई मैं तो ये जानता हूँ लास्ट ईयर से कम 20% का ग्रोथ होना चाहिए.
ओके. ओके. राइट. ओके. आई विल जॉइन बैक इन. थैंक यू.
यस, थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Hello.
As there are
Like close the I think conference call. Time is over, I think.
yes, please. As there are no further questions, I would now like to hand over the conference to management for closing comments.
Closing comments. Closing comments.
हेलो. हेलो.
आप स्टार्ट कर दीजिए closing comments.
नहीं हो रहा.
They are listening. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let's proceed with the closing remarks.
आप start.
हेलो. हेलो.
आप स्टार्ट करिए. उन्होंने बोल दिया. आप स्टार्ट करिए.
Should I start?
Sir. Please proceed.
Yeah, I must thank all of you and Morark also to arrange this conference call, and I can assure all the people who are listening that Mayur will do his best to make the best of the performance, and we can look forward for the good future. And this year, as I told you, that there will be, we hope for minimum 20% growth. Thank you very much for supporting all of us. All of you have supported Mayur, and I think we will try our best to keep you satisfied. Thank you.
Thank you. On behalf of Mayur Uniquoters and Monarch Net Worth Capital, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines.